Most people think stylish storage means sacrificing function, but what if you could have both without clutter or compromise? Hi, I'm an interior organization specialist with over 10 years' experience. I've seen countless homes struggle with the messy countertops and wasted space. The real issue? Bulky organizers that don't match your decor. Many trays are too large, too plain, or simply impractical. That's why I recommend the Luxspire Bathroom Vanity Tray. This tray is crafted from high-quality resin with a marble finish. It's not just beautiful, it's built for modern living. At 11 by 4 inches, it fits tight spaces perfectly. Place it on your bathroom counter, kitchen, or vanity. Use it to organize soap dispensers, perfumes, or jewelry. Its elegant marble design instantly elevates any room's look. Unlike bulky alternatives, it keeps essentials tidy and accessible. The compact size means no wasted space, ideal for apartments. It's also lightweight, so you can move it as needed. The resin material is durable, water-resistant, and easy to clean. No more worrying about stains or water damage. Let's see it in action on a real countertop. Here I've placed the tray beside my bathroom sink. Notice how it holds a soap dispenser, perfume, and jewelry. Everything is organized with no clutter or crowding. The white marble pattern blends seamlessly with any decor style. It looks sophisticated in both modern and classic settings. Now let's try it in the kitchen. I've added a dish soap bottle and scrub brush. Again, everything stays neat and easy to reach. No more searching for small items or cleaning up spills. The tray's raised edges help contain drips and messes. It's also perfect for displaying candles or decorative plants. Clients have told me it transforms their daily routines. One client used it to organize her makeup collection. She said her mornings became faster and less stressful. Another client placed it on her office desk for supplies. She noticed her workspace felt calmer and more productive. The Luxspire tray adapts to your needs wherever you need it. Its minimalist design means it never feels out of place. You don't need a large home to enjoy elegant organization. Even small apartments can feel luxurious with the right tools. Plus, it's available with free delivery on Amazon. That means you can upgrade your space quickly and easily. No special installation or assembly required, just unpack and use. If you value the body, the style, and ending practice, this tray delivers. It's a smart investment for home organizers and decor lovers alike. Don't settle for cluttered counters or mismatched trays. Choose a solution that fits your lifestyle and your taste. Remember, organization doesn't have to be boring or bulky. With Luxspire, you get elegance, versatility, and convenience. Transform your bathroom, kitchen, or vanity in minutes. Enjoy a tidier, more beautiful home every single day. Ready to upgrade your space? Visit Amazon.com and search for Luxspire Bathroom Vanity Tray. Experience the difference that thoughtful design can make. Order now and enjoy free delivery on eligible purchases. Bring home the perfect blend of style and function today. Luxspire, where elegance meets everyday organization. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.